They were all just completely asleep. And now they're all up. Look at them go. Oh my gosh, look at them go. Go, little girl. Go, little purple. You can do it. Oh yeah, you're going to climb over orange. No? Oh, okay. Come on, you can walk. Oh, there you go. Oh, come on, get your feet. Get your feet, little girl. Come on, get your feet underneath you. There you go, good girl. Okay, go. Oh, they're so close. Oh. Okay, into a new puppy pile configuration now. So it's Purple who's moving around. And this is Green. And this is Orange. And Yellow's down here. We have Teal and Red. And, oh, who's just laying down? Who is this? Huh? Oh, that's Blue. And that's Pink sleeping on her side. And then that's White. She loves to be on her back. She's always got her tummy out. Oh, she's trying to turn over. And then Gold is right there. Oh, Mama's getting in. So now there's going to be a whole herd. I'll do it again.